Welcome to Kids Words. Today I'm going to be showing you the science experiment I learned from my school, so I thought I'd share it with you all. So let's get started. The materials you need is some dish soap, a Q-tip, some milk, and some food coloring. So let's get started. Take the food coloring, put it anywhere you want on the milk. So now that I've put all my food coloring on the plate, take the Q-tip, dip a lot of it in the dish soap, and hold your breaths, guys, because this is going to blow your mind. Just touch it. Boom. That is how the science experiment is. Now, let me tell you why this happened. Milk has fats and proteins. So if you dip the dish soap inside the milk, all the fats and proteins get attracted to the dish soap and the food coloring starts spreading out. And that creates the magical effect as you can see right here. Bye guys! If you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye!